Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove an account on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove an account on your Gmail app, first open up a Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app on your phone, guys, on this interface you can see right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture of your Gmail account at the top right. Tap on it and all of the account you currently use on your phone will be available over here. Now to remove an account from your Gmail, scroll down and you can see the manage accounts on this device option available for us over here. Just below the add another account, tap manage accounts on this device and you will open up this kind of interface. Now in order to remove a Gmail account or an email account of Google from over here, or remove an account, tap on the Google section over here and all of the logged in accounts on your phone of your Gmail will be over here. Now in order to log out of an account over here, tap on the account which you want to log out or remove, and after that you can see on this device at the top right corner of the screen on this interface there's a three-dotted icon. Tap on that three-dotted icon at the top right and there is the remove account button available for us. Tap on the remove account button over here and that account will be removed from your Gmail. And guys, this is how to remove an account on your Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.